What's up, everybody? Today we're doing the watermelon explosion experiment. I have my boyfriend Amari here. Yeah, and we have rubber bands, safety goggles, everything to get this thing started. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I just want you to know that no watermelons were hurt in the... Actually, yeah, watermelons were hurt. Ow, shit! Goggles are important, kids. New camera angle. I don't know if you guys can tell, but Amari's pretty much doing all the work.
Yes, I am.
Because he's like so impatient. Look at this.
We have to put 300 plus rubber bands on here.
He's like, are you counting? No. Look at, I wish, you guys see all these rubber bands and then we have plus more.
We have 4 more packs of like 200. At this point, I'm just watching the struggle.
Doesn't even try to help.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah! No! It was one rubber band. We could have wasted it. It flew over there. Just when I thought I had it.
Gosh, she did it all by herself. Oh my god.
He's such a loser. Are you even in the frame?
I'm too tall.
I think so. No, he's in the frame. Just this is our height. He's like, I'm 5'1", and he's like 5'11".
I'm technically 6 foot.
Guys, you want to know what Amari told me when we first started dating? He said, my goal is to be either 6 feet or 5'12". I hope you guys caught that too.
Ah!
Yeah, that's what you get. Where did it hit you at?
My hand.
Well, last time I got hit, it was my eye.
You had eye protection on for a reason.
And he was laughing at me when I bought these goggles too. Like we weren't gonna need them.
I'm making face for it. I'll do it.
I was gonna say, we can fix that.
Don't do it.
Look at that exercise. Goals! I feel like you really are in the frame for half of this, but it's okay. You can see his face later.
I can like squat
Maybe.
down for you guys, and then my legs hurt after a little bit, so.
I'm gonna get you a chair or grab them.
Because if it explodes, it's gonna explode on my face, and I don't want that to happen.
It's not gonna explode now. Does it look like it's combusting at all?
Yes.
Not yet. It's not
I'm
caving
just
in.
kidding.
I just put like 500 rubber bands on it and it still doesn't blow up. Wait, one more. And we've officially used the first pack.
We are seeing progress.
Can you see the progress? It explodes. Yeah. Wait.
Just make the whole thing right here.
Oh, dang, poor watermelon. I'm sorry. Oh, look, it's a little bit, yeah. It looks so weird. I think we're getting somewhere. I think. Does it? Doesn't look like it to me. It's like. Yeah. No, he said it looked like it was about to explode. I was like, it doesn't look like it's about to explode to me. I went to pick it up and it in my face. What's so fun about cutting? Gotta do it the hard way. Shrapnel. So there you have it for our watermelon explosion video. Here is the aftermath. Yep, that's the aftermath. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more Amari, just let me know. Other than that, see you later.
Bye.